Welcome to JH. Every Shirt Donates claims to be the Mother Teresa of the fashion world, selling apparel for heavy-hitting causes like cancer awareness and suicide prevention. It sounds noble, but let's be real. The only thing they might be raising awareness for is how easy it is to lose your money online. We started by checking their domain details, and apparently, the site was only registered in July 2025. They're either time travelers from the future or just another fly-by-night operation that hasn't survived long enough to have a digital footprint. For a company that claims to be changing the world, they sure are shy about having a history. Moving on to the visuals, the shirts actually look pretty decent at first glance. However, a quick reverse image search reveals that their original designs are about as original as a Hollywood reboot. They've essentially pillaged images from other platforms, which is a bold strategy for a company supposedly built on integrity. Their About Us page proudly claims they are based in Los Angeles, but their behind-the-scenes video tells a different story, one that looks suspiciously like Vietnam. To make things even more awkward, they straight up stole the footage from the popular streetwear brand Stussy. I guess Los Angeles is just a state of mind when you're busy copy-pasting your entire brand identity. Now let's talk about the actual donating part of the business. They promise to support charities, but conveniently forget to mention minor details, like which charities are actually getting the money. There are no NGO names, no partner links, and absolutely no receipts. It's the ultimate trust me, bro business model where your money goes into a black hole of good intentions. When we went looking for customer feedback, we found a whole lot of nothing. There isn't a single review on Trustpilot, Reddit, or even their own website. It's impressively quiet, much like the sound of a scammer's conscience. To wrap this up, between the stolen footage, the invisible donations, and the non-existent reviews, Every Shirt Donates is looking less like a charity and more like a digital trap. Everything about this site screams unreliable, and I wouldn't trust them with a used napkin, let alone my credit card info. What do you guys think? Is this a genuine startup with a very bad marketing team? Or do you smell a scam too? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep exposing these online mysteries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.